Yep, there she is. I'm up here at my drop in Layton, Utah. Just down the street, Batterway. There's Smith's Distribution Center. I showed up early. I was like 2 hours early. They hadn't even started receiving yet. So I said, hey man, I had to unhook anyways. I'm going down the street to get something to eat. Is that cool? And they said, yeah, we don't have a problem with that. So I said, cool. Came over here. What is it? Asian buffet place right here. Because I eat Asian buffet. You know how it goes. So, truck ran good all the way up here. I did stop at the Love's in Provo and got a tire replaced. It's a we call it double coin all position tire. Gonna put that on, get it back down to Texas. My trailer has a little tire cubby up underneath it, so shove the tire up there with the other spare. Sorry, got a little noisy. There's more. There's a whole group taking off. Wonder where they're going. So anyway, I got tire replaced. Yeah, that guy that loves too, same thing. He's like, yeah, you don't want to be driving around on that. Nope. So, but just another look at the truck. Needs a bath. I'm kind of hoping for some rain. That actually makes a nice little backdrop picture. Boom. Maybe something like this. Ooh. I get it off to the side just a little bit. I can put channel name right next to it. So I did make a Rumble channel also. I'll put the name of it up here for you. I've even noticed YouTube has even censored me with medical misinformation and stuff like that, so I just said, screw it. It's time to start looking at posting videos. Yeah, if you just want to talk about what you want, if you want to cuss or anything. It ain't gonna make no money, but you know, I ain't making no money anyway, so no matter. I just want to talk about what I want to talk about. If nobody likes it, then they can suck the back of my sack, and that's about it. So, ooh, another picture. Let's get a look at this one with the mountains. Boom. So anyway, that's the truck. Got the tire fixed. Everything's cool. Take the other one back down to Texas. Take it back over to Ryder, because I did go back and check the pictures that I took in the yard. I didn't see the crack in the tire at the yard. I was busy. I was tired. What can I say? But yeah, it's all good. Get it replaced. Everything's cool, but the crack was there in the pictures I took at the yard, so wasn't me, but yeah, definitely somebody popped a curb with that damn thing. So, yeah. Ooh, another good picture. Let's try that. So, anyway, here's 5 minutes of the truck. Hope you enjoyed it. Truck's running good, averaging, saying 7.2 miles a gallon. Of course, running out here in the mountains, who knows? So, yep. So on that note, there it is. Guess I gotta come up with a name for it now. like the Black Beauty or the Black Stallion or the BBC. I kind of like the BBC. I'll do that one. Cool. Out.